we have gotten snow, snow, and more snow. We are, I don't know how much snow there is there, but here's one of my favorite things. Well, not one of my favorite things, but it's really cool. Watch this. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. So much fun watching a dog run through snow. So we are, it's, as you can see, there's a lot of snow. Our trampoline, you guys got to come jump on the trampoline. All right, so we got lots and lots of snow.
Look at this.
On.
Watch out, Noah.
There you can see Noah.
Noah, watch out.
All right, Abby. Show this one. Yeah, you actually got further than I thought you would. I thought you'd just sink in. So our trampoline, you can't quite see it right now. That is our trampoline. It is covered in snow, so the kids are going to get on.
Get the sled.
Kids are going to get on and clear. Well, hurry up! My hand's freezing.
You can't see it. You can't see the sled.
Man, if we landed our drone in this, we'd really lose it.
Yeah.
We actually really got to get this. It's really, I didn't realize how sunk down it was. So we got to get some of that snow off there. So use the sled, scoop it out. Right.
There we go.
Get a light. Put it back on here. Oh, where's our light? You guys might have to take smaller scoops.
Yeah. No, smaller scoops.
So start closer here. Might have to turn it the other way so it'll fit through the hole.
Here, push. Push him.
Lots and lots and lots of snow.
Snowing. Okay, here we go. Watch out. Oh.
I think it did. Maybe. Let me see.
Stop.
That's still, I think, spitting a little bit of snow, but it has stopped drastically, and that's all right. I think we got enough snow for a while. There's actually talk that it could still continue snowing, but
All the way through.
tomorrow.
Go that way.
The wind's gonna start picking up now. It's really gonna get cold. All right. Good job, guys. Oh, I took the camera. Oh, right down your neck. Okay, scoot down a little bit now.
Down this way?
Yeah. Oh, missed you, didn't it?
No, it hit me. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh. Is it cold?
Your phone's a little white.
There, I fixed it. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Yeah.
So now we're back nice and warm in the house.
Kind of.
Warm as our house gets, but I mean, there's Noah. Got our
There's
feet wrapped in blanket.
there's Abby in the
Scarlet.
background.
Oh, where's Abby?
Right there.
There's Abby.
Right there.
Say hi, Abby.
Right
Hi, Abby.
there.
She's having a little snack, trying to stay warm. But it was cold out there. We didn't play outside for very long.
Well, I did.
Well, it still wasn't that long, but
3 minutes.
we had some fun. There is a lot of snow, and it is snowing again now.
It
so,
is.
yeah, when I looked outside earlier, it was anyway. So there it is. Hope you're all staying warm wherever you are. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. Talk to you later.